Hey y'all, it's your buddy Chuck again. We just pulled into Kingsland, Georgia on Friday the 28th? Yep, Friday the 28th, Kingsland, Georgia. Gonna be dashing in the rain. Oh brother, maybe people will order more food because they don't want to go out in the rain. I'll see y'all when we get our first order. All right y'all, and there's the first order. I haven't even gotten to my spot yet. It's a $6 and something Chick-fil-A for 4.3 miles, but I was headed to Chick-fil-A. I'm still, I don't know, a mile or two away. So, great little order. Let's go get some chicken action. Well, y'all, we got the chicken action picked up, and I don't know about this, man. This is the hardest rain I've ever dashed in. I don't mind dashing in the rain a little bit. And of course, you know, I don't have an umbrella or raincoat or anything like that. I don't know, man. I'm gonna be riding around in soaking wet clothes if this keeps up. The little paper bag that the Chick-fil-A is in, it's soaked and tearing apart. This is a mess. Anyway, got the chicken dropped off and got this low paying order. I couldn't take it. It was $4 for 8 miles, taking Chick-fil-A way down into St. Mary's. I just couldn't do it. So, as soon as I declined that, I got a high paying order. It's not a great order, but it was, I don't know, what was it? $8 to pick up 3 items at CVS and deliver it a couple of miles. So, way better than the one I declined. So here we go to CVS to shop for 3 items. Y'all, did I just say on camera I thought this CVS was $8 to go a couple of miles? It's $5.50. In my dreams it was $8. Anyway, it's all right. It's not horrible. Not as bad as the Chick-fil-A I just declined. All right, y'all, here we go into CVS to buy a bottle of water, some plastic coat hangers, and some Glade plug-ins. Okay. Ah, aisle numbers. Love it. Glade plug-in. Come on, be Hawaiian Breeze. Yay. All right, y'all, got the CVS 3 items shopped, picked up, and the customer is 0.8 of a mile away. So here we go, right up the road. Let's drop off this little CVS shopping order. Looks like it's on the 2nd floor. Oh, my poor aching knees. It's not so bad going up. It's coming down that kills me. All right, y'all, got the CVS dropped off and immediately got this Chick-fil-A order. It's going up to the hydrogen plant. I like that drive. It's easy and fast. I don't mind it. You know, put some miles on the car, but I get 40 miles per gallon. Here's the problem. I've gotten to know the situation here enough that it's only 8 minutes after 10, and they've ordered sandwiches, and they don't start making sandwiches until 10:30. So I've got a 22-minute wait before they even start making them. So I don't know what's going to happen here. I don't know. I might have to unassign this one, or maybe I'll sit in Chick-fil-A long enough that they'll let me unassign without penalty. I mean, I'm at 100% completion rate. It wouldn't hurt. We'll see. Y'all, I am impressed. So 5 guys at the hydrogen plant have pooled their money and placed one DoorDash order. Well, Chick-fil-A doesn't even begin preparing lunch items until 10:30. They handed me my order at 10:25. All right, y'all, got the 5 Chick-fil-A meals dropped off at the hydrogen plant, and while I'm sitting at the base of the exit ramp, I get this order for Popeyes. I should have declined it. I don't know why I accepted it, but now I'm gonna have to make a U-turn because I was already in the left turn lane, and they gave me the Popeyes order, which is to the right. There was no way I could correct that. Here we go. Is that a DoorDash order right there by chance? Alexis. That's my order? Yeah. All right. Hey, y'all. I just picked up this Popeyes, and navigation inside the DoorDash app told me to turn right, leaving Popeyes. I looked at the map, and I said, no, I'm not turning right. That's stupid. I turned left, and the GPS originally said 6.5 miles to the customer. I turned left. It rerouted and said 3.9 miles to the customer. I just cut 2.5 miles off whatever DoorDash thought this trip was going to be. All right, y'all, dropping off this Popeyes Louisiana kitchen. Only thing is, I don't know for sure whether it's first floor, second floor. Looks like it's second floor. Of course. Hey, but the customer gave me great instructions. Y'all, that Popeyes order I just dropped off turned out to be a fantastic order. I'm gonna put the screenshot back up here. Look at this screenshot. $7.50 for 6.7 miles. Can you see this wide gray stripe running roughly north to south on this little rudimentary map? That's I-95. Popeyes is right by I-95. Look at where they're telling me to drive. No, I just went up I-95, turned right, it wound up being $7.50 for 2.9 miles. That's crazy. Ha! I beat the system. I stuck it to the man. All right, y'all, here comes another order that's better than it looks. $5.50 Chick-fil-A for 4.3 miles. Well, y'all, I'm on my way to Chick-fil-A. That's where I hang out. Well, Taco Bell right next door to Chick-fil-A, because the Chick-fil-A parking lot's too crowded. But I'm going there anyway. This is gonna be a terrific little order. By the time I get to Chick-fil-A, it's probably gonna be 2 miles to the customer. All right, y'all, chicken in my hot bag, drinking the drink carrier, and 2 miles to the customer. Let's get it. Come on, buddy. What are you doing? Come on, man. Don't be timid. You're from Texas. Go. Be bold. I would have already gone. Come on. Who's ready for Chick-fil-A?
All right.
It's for Ayana.
Okay, she's right in there.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Let me get this out of the bag. Hope you have a great day. There you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thanks for your business.
Bye-bye.
Bye, y'all. All right, y'all. So we got the Chick-fil-A dropped off, then declined one garbage order. Here's the garbage order. And then accepted this Starbucks order that isn't great, but at least it's a little bit of money. I don't know if I'm ever going to be able, oh, I can go out that way. Okay, good. I will be able to get out of Starbucks.
There you go. How about that?
Thank you. Hey y'all, this was a nice long drive from Starbucks to St. Mary's to the customer. Gave me time to calm down a little bit. I stood there at Starbucks 5 or 6 minutes, maybe 7, and was completely ignored by 12 employees. Nobody would make eye contact with me. And I stood there politely and silently. I figured when my order was ready, they would call out the name. Finally, I spoke up. I got some employees' attention. Said, how's my DoorDash order for Andre coming along? And they said, oh, Andre, it's right here, it's ready. The coffee was sitting outside of the bag. All the young man had to do was walk over, drop the coffee in the bag, and put a couple of stickers on the bag. Y'all, that will never, ever happen again. As soon as I walk in the door, I'm opening my loud mouth, saying, where's my DoorDash order? Never doing that again. Not gonna stand there and be polite and be ignored. Nope, never again. All right, y'all, dropping off Starbucks in the pouring rain to the 2nd floor. Oh, this whole order was a disaster. All right, y'all. Just got that Starbucks dropped off. Oh, dude. Oh, buddy. He sunk his truck down in the... Oh, he is sunk in the water. Oh, poor guy. Anyway, dropped off Starbucks. Just got this a little $4. I think it was $4 for 2 miles at Wing Max. Here we go, Wing Max. Never picked up there before. Okay. All right, that's it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
You too. All right, y'all, here we go. 1.2 miles, maybe less. Looks like they might be telling me to go up a little further than I have to make a U-turn. Hello there. We got some food for Rachel W. You're Rachel W? All right. How you doing today? Good. All right, y'all. They're nickel and diming me to death today. Just dropped off the wings for $4. All right, how do I get out of here? And now I get wasabi sushi for $4. The wings were less than a mile. Wasabi sushi says 1.6 miles for $4. I got no problem with that. All right, here we go into wasabi sushi to make $4. Woohoo! Is it one of these? I don't have my reading glasses. Thank you so much. Have a great day. All right, good. Going up Kings Bay Road. That'll be easy. It's gonna be quick and easy, y'all.
Nothing. I've been deciding ever since I've been here.
We're checking on it. I promise I'll get it taken care of for you. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am. Brianna?
Yes, thank you.
Well,
Thanks a lot.
Confidence in this government fund office is really going down.
Y'all, did I mention that I just accepted a tropical smoothie cafe order for $6.50 going to St. Mary's? Sherwood. That's the whole order?
Yes.
Blueberry Bliss. That's it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day. All right, y'all. Got this tropical smoothie cafe picked up. It's one smoothie. Let me look at the receipt. What did this guy pay for this one smoothie? Must be a fortune, because I'm getting $6.50. All right, he paid $8. Look, here's my smoothie. It's larger than his, a good bit larger. Cost me maybe $2.50 to make, maybe $2. Tastes better than his. He paid $8 for the smoothie, plus I'm getting $6.50. He must have paid $16, $17, $18 for this smoothie. People are crazy.
I think we're playing tag.
Were we circling around the building?
Thank you
Does
so much.
Sherwood work here?
He does. He's upstairs.
All
I
right,
appreciate
great.
you.
You're welcome. Y'all have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
I'm gonna go take a picture of the Lamborghini. I've never seen a Lamborghini in real life. You don't mind, do you?
No, not at all. Just don't touch it, okay?
No, I will not touch it.
Mr. Sherman would probably lose his mind if he touched it.
I bet. I will not touch it.
Here. Go.
Check this out, y'all. A Lamborghini. I don't think I've ever seen a Lamborghini in real life. Huh, what do you know? But it looks like this might be my very first order where all I'm picking up is alcohol. I'm going to like a little quickie mart. It looks like. I don't know. We'll see when I get there. It said the order contains alcohol. Whatever. I don't even remember how much it paid. Let's go to the screenshot. I don't turn for 2.5 miles. $8.25 for 6.4 miles. Man, if I drive 6.4 miles east, I'll be in the Atlantic Ocean.
How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you? Well, y'all, I just assumed when it told me I was going to the Magic Market to get a case of beer and a 2-liter Pepsi that meant I was going to need the red card and I was going to have to shop for it. No, they had already shopped for it. All I had to do was go in there and pick it up. So I just wasted a little bit of time. If I ever go back to the Magic Market in St. Mary's, which I hope I never do, if I do, I'll know that I don't have to shop for it. And it didn't say red card required, but I didn't pay attention to that. All right, here we go, y'all, deep into the marshes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
All right, y'all, got the beer dropped off. Went through the whole scanning the license, signature, and all that junk. So here we go. Give me an order, DoorDash. 1 o'clock. I think it's time to start heading west. All right, y'all, what would a Dashing Across America ride-along video be without a Dollar General shopping order? Here we go. I think I'm shopping for 4 items for $5 and
Oh, Tim moved. Yeah, you don't stay at the hotel no more. He went back to Florida, then he's fixing to go to back to Indiana for some jobs.
all right, y'all, I need some Kleenex and 2 kinds of cough medicine. All right, y'all. That gave me 8 minutes. It took 7.5. Not easy finding stuff in Dollar General.
Do you want your receipt?
Yes.
All right, y'all, we are 1 mile from the drop-off. got the Dollar General shopped. All right, y'all. Dropping off Dollar General, got orders paused. I gotta get out of St. Mary's. Hey, kitty. And of course it's upstairs. Because of course it is. All right, y'all, got the little Dollar General shopping order dropped off. Ended my dash, and it was not a banner day. That was 3.5 hours, made $67. And dashed in the pouring rain all day. That ain't right. Anyway, whatever that works out to, it ain't great. So, I've worked my way out of St. Mary's back into Kingsland. It's 1:30, I'm headed home. And I turned Dash Now back on. And I'm taking only orders headed west. So, probably gonna get my acceptance rate hammered. First thing they hit me with as soon as I hit Dash Now was $3 or something to go 7.9 miles northeast. No thank you. Give me something going west. I don't care if it's $2 for 10 miles. Got to be headed west, though. Anyway, y'all, if I don't get another order, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. We had a great time on the live stream last night. I appreciate everybody who joined. I don't know, I think we had, what'd we have? Maybe about 50 people watching. That was pretty cool. Had a good time in the chat. So, heading home, and it's Friday, right? So I won't be out again until Monday. Oh, here comes another order. Chick-fil-A, is it? Oh, it's headed due west. Heck yeah. $6 high paying order going due west. That's what I'm talking about. Ha! All right, looks like we are going to have one more order. Thank you, sir. Watch your step. It's slippery. All right, y'all, got this chicken action picked up. $6 to just drive home. As far as I'm concerned, this is free money and free time, free mileage. I don't even consider myself dashing right now. I'm just driving home. But I'm getting $6. I love it. So, 3.5 hours, $73. That sounds a little bit better. Oh man, here we go, y'all. Just drop off this little chicken action on the way home and then go home. Thanks for watching, everybody. All right, y'all, this fella came running out to me before I could grab the GoPro. But anyway, there's the drop off. It's a Vietnam Veterans, some kind of club.